So hi everyone, I am Theology and I am doing the unboxing and the review on the Coco snow cone machine. So stay tuned. Welcome to Theology. Really though? So guys, how do you like it? I absolutely love this little machine. My daughter wanted it. She's 16, and of course her mama had to come through. Yes. So guys, the typical syrup is like the one I have here. This is the cotton candy snow cone syrup. So as I was in the store, I started thinking what else I could use besides, and I'm sorry, that's my other items. What else I can use with this machine besides that. So one of the things, of course, is Coca-Cola. This is one of the things that was recommended with the instructions and the box to use a Coca-Cola. So of course we have Coca-Cola. So guys, what is the other thing? This is absolutely good. This is the Kool-Aid liquid. Put your ice on and then put a little bit of this on it. So good. So absolutely good. This one I decided to pick up, and that is the rose wine. Not sure if you can see it. It is Walmart brand. Let me see if you can see it. There it is. Boom. This is a Walmart brand. This tastes absolutely so good. So good. My daughter did taste the Kool-Aid and she did like this one. So if you don't want to put in the money for the syrup, and also it's very easy to make the simple syrup with this. It's just flavoring that you can get out your baking system area. You can do it with water and sugar, or you can just go in your alcohol section and pick up the simple syrup and also just add your flavor to it. It's just that simple. I decided to go the other route and just pick up the Kool-Aid because I want to try those, and also of course the Coca-Cola. So guys, this is what it is. These are the cute cups that I got from Target, and I am tasting the rose wine, and I'm telling you, I already tasted it. It's so good. I am not an alcohol drinker whatsoever, but I can say this tastes like champagne, a rosy champagne. So guys, if you go out and absolutely you have the machine, or you're gonna do the machine, or you do shave ice, go into your grocery store and pick up these. They're good, very good on there. And if you pick up the rose wine, oh my gosh, let me know your thoughts. So guys, what do I score this machine? This cute little machine here, and it's absolutely so adorable. I absolutely give this a total 5 thumbs up. Well, you know what? I take it back. I will give it at a 4.5 of a thumbs up star. The only thing I feel like what they need to do this is have an off and on button. To cut it on and off is with the lid. They need to design something right on the side or whatever to click it on and off. Because what the instructions want you to do is to unplug it every time. And of course, you see, I have mine on my bar. So to unplug that every time, So Coca-Cola, what a beautiful idea with a beautiful item. But I'm taking 5 off because you need an on and off button. So guys, this is my review for the Coca-Cola snow cone machine and some little tips and tricks. So guys, please like, comment, share, and thumbs up my video, guys. If you get one of these, please let me know what is your thought for this machine. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and eat the rest of mine, and until the next time, I'm out. Bye.